The next type is we have constant in numerator, and in denominator we have quadratic function, and in under root linear function is there. Before that we did constant is a numerator, and constant was a numerator, and outside there was linear function, and inside in under root there was linear function. So here outside quadratic function is there and inside linear function is there. So we'll substitute under root linear is equals to t. Now we have the same pattern question. Here constant is in the numerator, and here this is quadratic function and this is linear function. So we'll substitute under root x minus 1 is equals to t. After doing squaring, we'll get x minus 1 is equals to t square. That means x is equals to t square plus 1. And after doing its differentiation, we will get dx is equals to 2t dt. Now we'll substitute 2t dt x square. What is x? It is t square plus 1 whole square minus 1, and this is t. T will cancel out with t. There outside will take outside outside, just because of that it is constant. And here we'll apply the formula a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1. So 1 will cancel out with minus 1. We have t raised to power 4 plus 2t square. We can take t square as common. After taking t square as common, t square plus 2. Now what you are watching, that factors are there. Factors are there, but it is in the form of t square. It is in that means power 2 is there. So we are going to resolve it out. How? By substitution. Put t square is equals to u. I am taking it. I am substituting t square is equals to u. So we have 1 upon t square into t square plus 2 is equals to 1 upon u into u plus 2. Now linear factors are there, so we can do partial fractions. So 1 upon u into u plus 2 is equals to a upon u plus b upon u plus 2. After doing LCM, after taking LCM, what will get? U plus 2 into a plus bu is equals to 1. Here there is here we don't have any coefficient of u, so we'll take 0 into u plus 1, and here we have u into a plus b plus 2a. Now we can compare the coefficients. After comparing the coefficients, what we'll get? A plus b is equals to 0 and a is equals to 1 by 2. So b is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now we have the values of a and b. We can substitute here. I is equals to 2 into, so it is equals to u into u plus 2, and it is equals to a upon u plus b upon u plus 2. What is a? 1 by 2 upon u. U is equals to t square dt, and what is b? It is minus 1 by 2 u plus 2, that means t square plus 2 dt. But I substituted the value of a and b here, and after that I need to change u into t square. So after that I have changed u into t square, and after taking, because we need to find its integration, so I am taking integration sign on both sides. And here 2 is outside, so we can take 1 by 2 as common. So it is 1 by t square dt minus 1 upon t square plus 2 into dt. T raised to power minus 2. X raised to power n's formula is applicable, which is t raised to power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Here x square, 1 upon x square plus a square's formula is applicable if we are writing 2 as under root 2 square, which is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So this is the answer in the form of in variable t. Now we need to change t into x plus x minus 1. We substituted t is equals to x minus 1. So we'll substitute the value of t here, under root x minus 1, and after substitution we'll get the answer. Hope the question is clear. We did 2 types today. Now tomorrow we are going to do another 2 types. We'll do it tomorrow. And in today's pattern, if you have any problem in any question, then you can contact me. Till then, stay home and be happy. Thank you so much.